Mintman 2006 here. As you can see in front of you, we are going to be building a computer. That is right. We'll be building a computer. On the left side are the accessories, and on the right side are going to be what we're going to be putting into the machine for you to watch on YouTube. And as if you didn't watch the last video of pipepicker.com, you should go check that video out. It's about 20 minutes long. It is live right now. And that shows you how to pick the parts that you want to put in your computer that you're going to be building. Obviously, all these parts that I bought were from Best Buy, because that's where I work. So, we have everything here in front of us, except the one thing I didn't have to buy, which because I already had it, was the wristband. It's nice to have because then you know if you can't damage any parts that way. So, I already had that, but that's like $5. Not that bad. So, right here, we're going to start with the accessories, and then we'll move on to what we're going to be putting in this computer, and then Elsie builds it together. So, we have a G56 sound system, which is going to be nice, since the monitor that I chose did not have built-in speakers. The old model that I have does have built-in speakers, but we're redoing the computer. So, we're going to go with a really good sound system. It's a 560G. Then, for the headset I decided to go with, I went with the HyperX Cloud Flight. Some of the people I work at said this is a very good headset, because I want to have wireless, because it's a lot easier, because when I live stream, I don't live stream that long, but when I do live streams, they're about 12 hours, sometimes it can be longer. But the nice thing about this one, the Flight, has a 30-minute battery life, which is very nice to have in a headset, and also has a cord. So if you want to have a cord, you can have a cord. It's a nice headset. Then I went with a Corsair Dark Horse mouse, a real gaming mouse instead of what I used before. It was just something I chose to pick up. And then we have the Corsair K68 RGB lighting and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I went with lighting. That's the keyboard I decided to go with because they're both Corsair. And then I went with the Acer 20-inch HDA monitor. This was also a suggestion by my friend that works at Best Buy with me. Yeah, he suggested this because of my live streaming. There was another one I wanted to use, but he said don't go with it, it's not good. And then he suggested this one. So these are the accessories to go with the build. Alright. Now we get over here to what we'll be building, okay? We have a new, we're going to have a Ryzen 9 graphic card, which is the newest cards that just came out a few months ago. So that's the graphic card that we have here. We're going to go with, 8050, the fan, power supplies. Then we also had to get, now this I did get from Best Buy, I just picked it up in the store, everything else I had shipped. A TM30, it's a paste thing that you have to put on your processor when you do the build. Then I went with a Rose Crosshair version 4, I think. New card just came out. They also have a wireless card one. I originally was gonna go with that one, but when I found out that this one, it was only $30 more, but I figured why not save that money and get better stuff besides that. So I went with that, and then I got a Samsung SSD hard drive, 1TB SSD, because of all the videos I shoot, a lot of them, they're a lot of space, so a terabyte should be good for me. Because usually, once I make the video, I produce it and I take it off the computer and put it on external hard drives, which I have in stock. And then we went with the Corsair VideoTart Pro 216 32 gigs, so it's two 16s in here, 32 gig memory total. Then I went with the GeForce RX 20 Super. Now, originally I was gonna go with the new the new Ryzen R7 XT or whatever, but after talking to my friend, again, my friend at work, he helped me out with a lot of this build stuff. He's built before. He's actually doing a build soon as well. And that would be my friend Chad that also live streams on Twitch. So, yeah, that's my friend. So, yeah, he's suggesting getting the 2070. He said the 2060, but then we said, why not get the 2070 Super, a little bit better card, than the 2060 because of all the video editing that I do. Also with the Ryzen chip, this guy, this actually it's got 12 cores inside, so it makes it processing hopefully a lot easier, so these videos will be produced faster. So, and that's the backstory of everything that I have here. You know, it's gonna be a great build. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we got the last thing I did get was a Corsair case, which we'll see in a little bit because that case is nice. And again, all my friends at Best Buy helped me out with selecting what I wanted to build. And this is everything. There's nothing else I need except Windows 10, which I did not order from Best Buy. I have a little chip thing that I got from I think I got it from B&H actually. But I got a little chip that we will enter in later on when we get to that setup section of setting up, building your own computer. So my next step is to actually physically put this together. So we'll be right back. Hopefully you're going to enjoy all these videos I have lined up for you today. So, until my next episode, until my next video, I'm going to have to say what I normally say at my videos, and that is, bye-bye for now.